Welcome to Michael Saylor's world. We are all just NPCs living in it. Michael Saylor just bought 22,337 Bitcoin for $1.57 billion at an average price of $70,000 a coin. Their total holdings at Strategy now stand at 761,000 Bitcoin on the balance sheet. The funding, and let me tell you, this is the story. 397 million was from the MSTR common stock last week, and are you ready for this? $1.18 billion from Stretch preferred equity alone. What? Bitcoin's currently trading just under 74,000. Saylor bought below current prices, and he bought massive this week. But amazingly, the real story isn't just the Bitcoin. Welcome to the Stretch Revolution. Let me walk you through what just happened with STRC. Monday, $300 million in trading volume. Tuesday, $435 million, a new record. And Wednesday, $460 million, shattered Tuesday's record. On Thursday, $740 million in volume on Stretch alone. Why Thursday? Because Friday was the ex-dividend date. Thursday was the last day to be an owner of record to collect this month's dividend on Stretch. Investors rushed in. Institutions have been flooding into the market. $740 million in a single day? Somebody pinch me. This doesn't happen for most stocks, let alone a dividend-paying fixed income preferred equity. What? On Friday, even after going ex-dividend, STRC still traded $300 million. Here's the total for the week. Over $2.2 billion in trading volume for a preferred equity instrument. There is no other fixed income product on the market trading like this. None. Saylor just created a new capital markets weapon, and he's using it to buy Bitcoin at scale. That's so exciting. Let's put 22,337 Bitcoin into perspective. That's the entire treasury of Bullish, the sixth largest Bitcoin treasury company. Saylor bought their entire balance sheet in 7 days. But here's the brain-melting part. Strategy has now bought 88,588 Bitcoin just in 2026 in 74 days. That's more than twice the size of 21, the third largest Bitcoin treasury company in the world. I didn't stutter. Saylor has bought more Bitcoin this year than the third largest treasury company holds in total. Look at the gap here on the chart. Strategy bought 22,337 Bitcoin this week, while miners produced 3,150 Bitcoin. That's over 7x the weekly mined supply. Year to date, they're now buying 2.66 times the global mining rate. The supply vacuum is 55,268 Bitcoin, and it's accelerating. That means Strategy has taken an extra 55,000 Bitcoin off the marketplace beyond what miners are producing. So let's zoom out. Last week was 18,000 Bitcoin. This week, over 22,000 Bitcoin. That's 40,000 Bitcoin in 14 days. 2.85 billion deployed in 2 weeks. And it's all being fueled by Stretch. 1.18 billion raised this week alone through Stretch. This isn't just Bitcoin accumulation anymore. This is Saylor proving that Bitcoin treasury companies can access capital markets at scale using innovative instruments that Wall Street has never seen before, and all in a bear market. Other treasury companies are watching. Other CEOs are taking notes. This is the playbook, and we even had Strive, another Bitcoin treasury, add $50 million of Stretch to its own balance sheet. Buy number 103 is in the books. The Stretch Revolution is here. And Michael Saylor just bought more Bitcoin this year than most treasury companies will ever hold. If you found this valuable, smash the like button and subscribe below. For real-time tracking of every Bitcoin treasury company, subscribe to the BitcoinTreasuries.net newsletter, and that better be your homepage. The link's in the description. I'm Tyler, and don't forget to stay orange. I'll see you next Monday.